Hey guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and I want to talk about these beautiful wall plates that I have here. So these I bought all individual. This is an oil bronze rub look, and this one here is textured looking. I really love it, just because I find it looks like wood, and I love the color of it. All my accents down here, I did an oil bronze look. So I went with this one in particular. It's a nice thick one as well. It does come with a little bag with the screws, so you're not going to lose them. And I love the fact that I can put this over my plug-in outlets and I can put them over my light switch outlets. So it's all going to have the same look, which I really like. I love just how rustic and beautiful and antique-y it looks. It looks very rich looking too. I'm redoing my son's pool room, so I put it up against the wall and it matches a lot of the stuff I have, the paint, the bookshelves. It's such a beautiful color. I love how easy it is to put on. You just take off your old wall plate and you literally screw it back on with the 2 screws that it comes with, and then you have this beautiful look to your room. I'm so happy with these. That's just my point of view.